Think of a device that fits in the palm of your hand, but carries the strength of a desktop computer. For years, the tech world has looked at the iPad mini as a niche product, a secondary device for reading or light browsing. But something shifted. In the high-stakes halls of Apple Park, the Mini project just became Apple's most aggressive play in a decade. We are standing at the threshold of the iPad Mini 8, and this isn't just an update. This is an intervention. If you are a student, a creator, or a professional who has been tethered to a massive 13-inch slab because you needed the power, your world is about to get much smaller and infinitely more capable. The iPad Mini 8 is being built to prove that size is no longer a metric for performance. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's address the reality of the previous generations. The iPad Mini 6 gave us the redesign we craved, but it felt like Apple was holding back. The Mini 7 was a tactical bridge, bringing us into the era of Apple intelligence with the A18 Pro. But the Mini 8 is the endgame. Rumors and supply chain leaks from 2026 are painting a picture of a device that doesn't just compete with the iPad Air, it renders it irrelevant for a huge segment of users. We are talking about a machine that finally earns the Pro moniker that fans have been whispering about for years. The heart of the revolution is the A18 Pro chip. For the first time, Apple is reportedly putting their most advanced 3nm or potentially 2nm architecture into the Mini at launch. This isn't a binned version. This is the full-throttle silicon from the flagship iPhone 18 Pro. Why does this matter? Because of Apple Intelligence 2.0. In 2026, AI isn't just a Siri upgrade, it's the operating system. To run complex local language models, to perform real-time video generative masking, and to handle 100+ tracks in Logic Pro, you need thermal efficiency and raw compute power. The A19 Pro isn't just faster, it's smarter. It features a redesigned neural engine that can process trillions of operations per second while staying cool in a chassis this small. But what good is all that power if the window into your work is lackluster? This is where the iPad Mini 8 will break the internet. The biggest, most persistent complaint in the history of the Mini has been the display, the jelly scrolling, the limited contrast, the 60 Hz refresh rate. In 2026, those complaints are being buried. The iPad Mini 8 is confirmed by multiple supply chain analysts to feature a tandem OLED display. This is the same groundbreaking technology found in the M4 iPad Pro. By stacking two OLED layers, Apple has achieved a peak brightness of 1600 nits and a contrast ratio that makes the screen look like printed ink. But the real victory? ProMotion. Yes, 120 Hz is finally coming to the Mini. The fluid motion, the instantaneous response to the Apple Pencil, and the end of scrolling lag. This single change transforms the Mini from a consumption device into a production powerhouse. Design-wise, the Mini 8 is expected to be a masterclass in refinement. We are looking at even thinner bezels, allowing for an 8.5-inch display while keeping the exact same physical footprint as the current model. It's the golden ratio of tablets, large enough to multitask, small enough to fit in a jacket pocket. But the most shocking leak? The iPad Mini 8 might be the first iPad to ever receive an official IP68 water and dust resistance rating. To achieve